We are pleased to show you the 2015 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, inflatable seat belts, rear, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.